Good morning, students. Civics chapter 6 political parties going on. In last topic, we discussed about the remaining national political parties. So already we have discussed 7 political parties: BJP, Congress Party, CPI, CPIM, BSP, Trinamool Congress Party and NCP. Other than these 7 parties, जो हमने 7 नेशनल पार्टीज पढ़ी हैं, तो other than these 7 parties, most of the major parties of the country are classified by election commission as state parties. Besides these 7 parties, other major parties are recognized as state parties by the election commissions, because it is the duty of election commission to recognize the parties. And commonly state parties are also known as regional parties. Yet these parties need not be recognized in their ideology. These parties, the party which are recognizing as regional, they are not be regional in their ideology or outlook. Their ideologies are at par as national level. In their outlook, they are also national level. Some of these parties are all India parties, but they are succeeded only in some states. Example, Samajwadi Party. It is succeeded only mainly in UP. Samta Party, RJD, Rashtriya Janata Dal. It is succeeded only in Bihar. These parties have national level organizations, but with units in several states. Because of not fulfilling the conditions of national party, they are state parties, but they in ideology, in their outlook, in their political organizations, they are having all India level political organizations with many units in several states. Parties, there are some state parties which are very conscious about their state identity. They are very aware and concerned about their state identities, like Biju Janata Dal, Sikkim Democratic Front, Mizo National Front. These are some parties which are very conscious about their state identity. Conditions to become the state parties. Already we have discussed about the conditions which are necessary to become a national party. Regarding the national party, we discussed the conditions: 6% of total votes of Lok Sabha elections and 4 seats in Lok Sabha elections. If both conditions are not following, then that party must win the elections in 4 state assembly elections. If the party is fulfilling these conditions, that party known as national party. But now we will discuss about the conditions to become a state party. To recognize as a state or regional party, a political party must have 6% of total votes in elections to the legislative assembly of a state. यदि किसी भी स्टेट के लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली के इलेक्शंस होते हैं, विधानसभा के इलेक्शंस हो रहे हैं, देन उस पार्टी को टोटल वोट जितने वोट्स हैं, वो टोटल वोट्स का 6% वोट मिलना जरूरी है टू रिकॉग्नाइज एज अ स्टेट और रीजनल पार्टी. और अगर 6% वोट नहीं मिलती हैं देन पार्टी मस्ट विन एटलीस्ट 2 सीट्स, और कम से कम 2 सीट जीतना जरूरी है। दी पार्टी या तो टोटल लोकसभा इन द लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली इलेक्शंस के टोटल वोट्स का 6% वोट मिल जाते हैं, और या पार्टी 2 सीट जीत जाती है विधानसभा इलेक्शंस के अंदर, देन पार्टी विल बी रिकॉग्नाइज एज द स्टेट पार्टी और रीजनल पार्टी like Aam Aadmi Party. It is a state party. Now, over the last 3 decades, the number and strength of these parties has expanded. In India, already you know that more than 750 parties are recognized with Election Commission, and the number of state parties continuously increasing. Their strength also has expanded. Because of these state parties, our Indian Parliament has become more and more political diverse. आज हमारी पार्लियामेंट में सिर्फ 1 या 2 पार्टी रिप्रेजेंट नहीं करती हैं. There are so more than 30 political parties have at least few members, a few seats in our parliament. So all these members belong to different region, different ideology, different parties, different caste, different background. So our parliament is politically more diverse. National parties are compelled to form alliance with state parties. Since 1990, it's very difficult to get a clear majority for a national party in Lok Sabha elections. So they are compelled, they are forced to form alliance with state parties. BJP have alliance by the name of NDA. Congress Party have the alliance by the name of UPA. CPI, CPIM have the alliance by the name of Left Front. Because if they are not having clear majority in Lok Sabha, so without the support of state parties, they cannot form the government at national level. So since 1996, mostly coalition governments are formed, and every state party has got the chance to become the partner of coalition government once in India, and this trend has strengthened the federalism and democratic system in our country. Because of this coalition government, because national governments are now dependent on state government to form the national government, that's why the national government do not suspend any state governments which is ruled by any opposition parties. So it has made more strengthen our democracy. There are many state parties in different states, like in Haryana, Indian National Lokdal Party. It was formed in 1977. In Punjab, Shiromani Akali Dal Party is there. This party was formed in 1920, and this party is a part of the NDA. UP, there are 2 parties are there, state parties. Samajwadi Party. Its president is, its chairman is Akhilesh Yadav. This party was founded by Mulayam Singh Yadav in 1992. Rashtriya Lok Dal Party was founded by Mr. Ajit Singh in 1998. In Maharashtra, Shiv Sena Party. In other states also. In today, political era, in each and every state of India there are one or more than one state parties are in race, electoral race. So we can say that state parties played a important role in our political system. That's all for today, students.